Hello, this is Tuck with Tuck GC, and we just finished up a stone and concrete project in Fairfax Station, Virginia. We used some beautiful ledge cut stone on the vertical surfaces, thermal Pennsylvania flagstone on the cap of the wall and the stair treads, and then a Pennsylvania pattern 2 square cut throughout. Over on the driveway, we used a Euro gray integral color mix into the concrete, and let's take a closer look at this job. Here you see the driveway. Still curing, it was just poured about 5 days ago, so the discoloration that you see will go away with time. Pay attention to all the control joints cut perfectly spaced. Here's a shot from the side. The water's just from the cleanup earlier. Now, one thing that I do want to show in this project that's always a risk when we're doing this work, and you'll see in my contract there's actually a clause for this, but we see a squirrel came in here and decided to run around on the wet concrete at night. Now, this will fade over time. You probably won't even see these prints in a year from now, but the client actually thought it was pretty cool, so we're happy that they took it in stride. But that is a risk whenever pouring concrete, that you could have animals or any sort of other environmental or vandalism concerns that could happen on your project, so always keep an eye out. We have rain coming in tomorrow, so I haven't put in the self-leveling caulk yet, but you see we have a nice seam there ready to do that. Here's this beautiful flagstone, all squared off the stoop. Keep in mind we just did a mild acid wash, so the color will pop a little more over time as this ages. We just did a single wash today, and look at this beautiful stone on the stoop. That's one of the most premium stones you can buy in terms of that thermal flagstone cap on the tread there, and then also that vertical stone is absolutely top of the line. You can see we did a really nice border with that thermal stone with the flagstone in the center. And then there's what that tread looks like from the top, leading back onto the walkway. We put in a Volt landscaping lighting system. It's got a big dual circuit transformer for future expansion. The homeowner is going to put a bunch of lights around the yard and in the landscaping bed. You can see we did a lot of lights throughout the project, under the stairs, all undermount lighting. Now turning back around, you can see this beautiful wall that we put in. Went with a little smaller thermal cap. We did the variegated color on the top with an 1.5 inch thermal instead of a 2 inch. Looks a lot better on the smaller wall. That big piece would be a little overbearing. And here's the wall from the yard. Really looks nice. And when you look at the placement of the wall with the stoop, it just looks fantastic. Same undermount lighting on this wall, and there's a good view of how beautiful that stone is. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and if you have any stone or concrete work, we are the company to call. We look forward to hearing from you. Again, thanks for watching. Take care.